What if I told you the best marketers work less? The top 1% aren't grinding 60 hours weeks. They are using AI to automate everything while they sleep. I used to burn out working 12-hour days until I discovered this 5-step AI cheat code. Now, I make $100,000 per month, working just 10 hours a week. And I'm about to show you the number one mistake 99% of marketers make with AI. What if I told you that working less could actually make you more money in marketing? I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. Most marketers are stuck in the old ways of doing things, spending 60+ hours every week on tasks that AI could finish in minutes. Let me paint a picture for you. The average marketer's day is a grueling marathon, writing emails, building ads, analyzing data, and still facing a mountain of incomplete work. They are exhausted, stressed, and delivering mediocre results despite their efforts. Meanwhile, the top 1% of marketers are making money while they sleep. They are working smarter by setting up AI systems that run 24/7. While you are manually crafting your 5th email, they are relaxing at the beach, watching sales roll in on their phone. I used to be that exhausted marketer 3 years ago. I worked 12 hours glued to my laptop, surviving on coffee just to stay awake. I make about $3,000 monthly, basically minimum wage when broken down hourly. Then came my rock bottom moment. I missed my sister's wedding because I was finishing a client project. I still remember her voice cracking on the phone when I told her I couldn't make it. And the photos afterward where everyone looked happy except for that empty space where I should have been. That absence hit me harder than any all-nighter ever could. I knew something had to change. Researching how successful marketers spend their time led to a revelation. They work less by leveraging AI to automate nearly everything. They were like chess masters planning their next move while AI handled the heavy lifting. It was like watching people use rockets while I was still paddling a bicycle up hill. The most successful marketers often considered the laziest, simply automate everything. They focus on strategy while AI handles execution, like having 50 people working around the clock without salaries or breaks. I went all in on AI, spending 2 weeks building my first automated system. The first month, my income remained steady, but I worked only 20 hours weekly. By month 3, I doubled my income to $6,000 while working even less. 6 months in, I hit $25,000 monthly, working just 50 hours weekly. Today, I make over $100,000 monthly, working about 10 hours weekly, and I'm no special. I just learned to make AI to do 90% of my work. I have designed everything into a 5-step system that transformed my life. The exact system I use daily to run my marketing business on autopilot. No computer science degree or expensive software needed. The first big secret is understanding that AI can undo 90% of your marketing tasks while you sleep. Writing high-converting emails, creating outperforming ad copy, finding market opportunities quickly, building automated sales funnels, and analyzing data in real time. Most marketers use AI for basics, like buying a Ferrari just to drive to the mailbox. The real power comes from building interconnected AI systems working together while you focus on growth. So ask yourself, continue grinding 60 hours weekly for mediocre results, or set up systems making money while you sleep? Ready to see exactly how the top 1% use AI to work less and earn more? I'm about to show you my complete system step by step. I'm about to show you something that will change how you think about marketing forever. My 5-step AI cheat code. This isn't some basic tutorial. This is the exact system I use to make 6 figures every month while barely working. Here is the problem. Most marketers fail with AI because they are using the same basic prompts everyone else uses. They type something like "write me a blog post about marketing" and then wonder why their results are average. That is like having a supercomputer but only using it to check email. You are missing out on all that power. The gap between average AI users and power users is growing every day. Some marketers are crushing it while others fall behind. You need to pick a side now. Do you want to be in the top 1% or stuck with everyone else? Let's start with step 1. AI-powered market research. Most marketers guess what their audience wants instead of knowing for future. I combine ChatGPT with Perplexity AI to find untapped niches in minutes. I tell Perplexity to scan Reddit and Twitter for rising trends in fitness supplements and predict the next big thing. It instantly analyzes thousands of conversions and review emerging topics. Last month, it spotted mushroom-based pre-workout supplements 3 weeks before they blew up. I created early content and made $12,000 from that single trend with solid research in hand. Step 2 is AI content creation. Claude and Gemini Advanced write content that outperforms human writers. My go-to prompt: write a viral LinkedIn post using the PASS framework about marketing automation. These tools create content with engagement rates 3 times higher than most human writers. The real magic happens when AI writes in your voice. I think Claude 10 of my best posts, and now it writes exactly like me. My audience can't tell the difference as I publish 5 times daily. Building up great content. Step 3 introduces hyper-targeted AI ads. AdCreative.ai plus specific ChatGPT prompts generate ads that convert at 5 times the normal rate. For a client's fitness program, we created 50 ad variations with AdCreative.ai. They use ChatGPT to identify potential winners. The selected ads converted at 4.7% when the industry average is under 1%. The difference between losing money and making a fortune. Step 4 leverages AI emails and SMS automations. Using HubSpot AI and Jasper, I craft code emails with 80% reply rates. My technique is conversational pattern interruption. I instruct AI to write like it's testing a friend with unexpected questions mid-paragraph. This approach feels authentic and drives results. One campaign for a SaaS client generated 86 demos from just 200 code emails. Finally, step 5 creates fully automated AI funnel using Zyper and Make.com. This connects everything: Perplexity finds trends, Cross writes content, AdCreative make ads, HubSpot sends email, and Zyper links it all together. This system runs independently, generating leads and sales 24/7. I spend just 20 minutes each morning making small adjustments. The secret most marketers miss is that success comes from connecting multiple AI tools into a system that multiplies their power. The top 1% use these specific tools daily but don't share them to avoid competition. Now you have it. The exact system I use to make $100,000 per month. But there's one more thing you need to know. Let me tell you the hard truth. AI is transforming marketing completely and replacing marketers who refuse to adapt. I have witnessed professionals lose clients because they clung to outdated methods while competitors embrace AI technology. Want to stay ahead in this revolution? Comment AI marketer below and subscribe now. I send you my private AI prompts that generate $100,000 monthly revenue. These are the exact strategies I use daily that others charge thousands to access. Mark your calendar. Next week, I'm revealing my system for using AI to close $10,000 deals completely on autopilot. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your business. I'm Richard, and it's Ultimate.